always like posting every day. Like if you follow Gary Vee, he's always like content. It doesn't really, I feel like we overthink a lot. Like, oh, I got to get the
100%.
perfect video. And it's like, it doesn't really have to be perfect.
Listen to this. This is gold.
Like just post
gold.
over and over. And then people are going to see it and they're going to, like, let's say like I'm the trainer. I'll just use me.
Yeah.
And I'm posting every single day. And then someone's thinking, man, I really need to get in the gym. They're going to think of me. Like they're not going to think
mind, right?
Yeah, because
Top
I'm always
of mind.
on their page. And people are always on social media. People are always scrolling and you think they don't see your stuff. But I've had clients come in and quote my stuff back to me. And I'm like, I thought that was for no reason, you know?
And that's something you posted 6 months ago,
yeah,
right?
exactly. So you make an
nuts,
impact.
right?
Yeah, and then they start to like see that. They start to see like, oh, like you have your individual niche and I have my individual niche and I want to help women who are like, let's say, I'll say as young as 18 to 50 in Las Vegas and usually a weight loss client.
Yeah.
And I like to help them with mindset too. So anyone who might be interested or open to that.
Yeah.
So I have a connection with certain people. So you need to get out there, find like your niche. That's my advice at the social media and post on that niche every day. Like you're speaking to that person. I actually also did like if you guys have heard of Monet or something like that, I did isogenics and I learned so much in that program.
Okay.
Like it made me lose weight. I sold like $1,000 packages and it's just like a weight loss thing, you know?
Yeah.
But, and maybe it wasn't my forever, but it taught me a lot about like speaking to that person that is like, I'm speaking to old Bray. I'm speaking to old Bray who wants to lose weight, who doesn't know what to do.
On social.
Yeah.
That's interesting. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, because you've grown here, but you got to realize that everyone else is still back here.
Yeah, to like connect with them, to reach out and pull them in, because even some of my content now is more geared toward competitors and stuff. Like I do a little bit of both, but like if I post a super aggressive weightlifting video, they're gonna be like, I'm never going to that gym.
Yeah.
So if I post something more simple, like, hey guys, you can easily change your weight with this way, because it is easy at first, and then you evolve and have more goals. But
no, that's amazing. I didn't know you were going that deep on that. That's amazing. So you're kind of documenting, you're putting out content, you're talking to like the old Bray. I love how you say that because that makes me think, hey, how can I talk to the old Brendan?
Yeah.
Or how can I talk
what you didn't know before?
Yeah, it's hard because when you're always growing, you're always learning. Like every single day I evolve. And it's crazy how much I evolve every day. But I love it you say that. And then for me, a big thing is like, oh, I've been following you for 6 months. I've been following you for 2 years. I love what you do. I'm now ready to hire you. But it took 2 years and you feel like nobody cares, right?
Yeah.
Like you feel like no one's watching. You see 5 views and you're like, oh, no one cares. Same as this podcast. I'll get like 10 views. But that's still, you're one person. Yeah. That's one person. You get 10 of those people. You get 10 of those people in those room. Mm-hmm. Could be a mom. It could be a business owner. It could be, it's so hard. It seems like such a small number, but it's so valuable.
Yeah.
And the fact somebody's quoting something you said is such a compliment, right?